Fairness and consistency in sentencing. That's our topic. We interviewed Binghamton University students who observed court proceedings in Broome County. Here are some of their relevant comments. Do you think the sentencing was fair for the defendants?
I think I can say pretty confidently no. I think there's a lot of deeper issues that go with that, but I would say no.
I felt that sometimes they were very different, just depending on who the individual was or what the case was, and a lot of times a lot of the sentences were different for similar crimes that were committed. For example, a drug case, many drug cases I witnessed, depending on the race of someone or the gender, a lot of the sentences were different and not consistent through the whole process.
Mm-hmm. It depends on how much money the defendant has and where their case is going to go from there. There were two cases that had to do with minors, and one of the males had a private attorney and the other just had a public defender. And so I think their crimes were comparable, but definitely not the way that the case was put forth. They definitely didn't receive equal punishment for what they did.
I would like to see it more consistent through all the different, all different people. I would like to see crimes that are committed that are similar to have similar sentences and be more consistent across the board.
I can't really speak for a generalization of if I think that they're fair or not, because I don't really know what a normal sentence is for a drug crime. But a lot of the times it just seems a little bit too much, and it was kind of disheartening to see that.
I think that a lot of the sentencing, they were always different and they were never consistent. So a lot of times I don't believe that they were fair, but some may think that they were fair. But I think that it should be more consistent for the crimes that are committed and the sentences that are given.